How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can redeem code for YouTube Premium. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all you have to do is on your mobile device open up a browser. Here I will open Chrome browser and on the search URL type in youtube.com/redeem and then search for it. Now you will be taken to this interface where you can enter your code. So in this text box that says enter code, all you have to do is type in your correct redeem code. Once you have entered the code, now to redeem your code, all you have to do is tap on next, and with that your code will get redeemed. So that's how you can redeem your YouTube Premium redeem code, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.